Good day everyone, welcome again to the Microsoft Word application course. In the last video we talked about changing line, style and colors and filling shapes. Today's video we will be looking at grouping and ungrouping objects and if possible text. To show you how that works, we go to our practice doc. Here we see a number of objects, and what we can do is so basically I can move these objects from one point to another by clicking and moving separately or individually. Okay. Now if I want to make sure I can move two objects or three together, I need to group them so that when I click on one, the other gets selected, and when I move one, the other also moves. To do that, first thing I'll do is click on the first object, which in this case would be the rectangle, and let the second object be this object. So I will, in order to make sure that I select both of them, you have to press the control key down. So I'm pressing control key on my keyboard and I will click on the second one, and now you see that both of them are selected. So to group them together, I will have to go to shape format menu, and I go to arrange group, and I should see something that says group, and let's see, align. That's not there. Maybe this icon, oh yeah, there it is. Sometimes when the window is not maximized, so if I maximize the window, it's much easier to see. So sometimes when your window is not that maximized, it's really difficult to tell unless you know the icon. So I will use the group, and I'll say group. So you see now both of them are taken into one selection. So if I click outside, if I click this, you see that both are selected. If I click the other one, both are selected. As a way to show you that that is true, I will now move by clicking this and drag, and you see both of them will be gone. Okay, so I will bring it back. In the same way, if I want to group the same with the other one, I will select this and hold the control key and click on that one, and I can go back to group, and I can say group, and everything is grouped, so I can move them the way I want. It's cool, huh? So if I want to separate them, I can immediately use undo, but if maybe I didn't use undo immediately and I need to do it another time, I can use ungroup. So when I click on one, everything gets selected. I go to shape format, under arrange, group, and you see ungroup, and now it separates them into two because I grouped them, separately in a way that these two were first grouped and then together with this, so it will separate this one from the other two. Now if I want to separate these two, I select, I go to shape format, go to group and ungroup, and now you see they're separate. Click outside and I can move one after the other. So basically this is how you group and ungroup objects together. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for the next topic.